Hey, we're Harry and Nikki, and we've spent the last 5 months converting a 17-seater minibus into a tiny home on wheels.
In this video, you'll be joining us on our first venture out in our camper van, Harry's family's lake house.
This is so we can make any amendments needed to the camper before we board our 32-hour ferry to Spain this coming Thursday.
If you want to see how we got on, then just keep watching. Mommy!
I want sunshine, I want rain, I want love, I want the pain. Shimmy up, go say my name, cause it don't feel the same.
He actually looks
You're not around, the feelings come out. I wish I could say that I figured it out. Got my head in the clouds when I'm feeling down.
Got it in your lungs.
Now that I know,
Uh-oh.
I can figure this out.
So welcome to our first weekend away in the van, guys. We are trying out the van this weekend at a lake in Cambridge. We had a first night in the van last night and I slept pretty well. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I slept pretty well.
Slept pretty well.
Got a little bit colder in the middle of the night.
It did get a little
but it was
bit
boiling
chilly.
under the duvet, so it was like...
It was a nice night in the van, nice first night, nice way to break in. And today it's meant to be sunny all weekend, so we've had a bit of a result. So we are going to get some tan on, I think.
Yeah, I hope so. I'm so pale.
Get some tan on and maybe do some activities like paddleboarding, have a play around with the drone, try and get some cool footage. But yeah, we'll keep you up to date and we'll keep you tagging along with us.
Cool.
Okay, so we are en route to dropping our boat in the water. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can get the speedboat dropped in. Hopefully it's all working. Just replace the battery.
Yeah.
We're little DIYers now, you know, built a van.
Yeah.
Build a van.
We could put a battery in.
You can be part of the Royal Navy.
I don't think anyone knows why we're putting the boat in. Like, what is the boat's purpose?
Okay, so yeah, I do a lot of water skiing up here. So yeah, that's kind of the purpose of the boat, to pull me along water skiing. So we take it out every year and we're going to drop it in now.
Yeah.
It's summer, it's the beginning.
Harry's family are really keen water skiers and they're all really good. So, and I'm not, so cool.
Yeah, decent. But yeah, we're going to see if we can get this dropped in now and then take it on a spin around the lake.
Yeah. No, it's not bringing it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Come on. What are we doing then? What have you whipped up for us?
So it's lunchtime now. It's so hot, honestly. I feel like we're in France or Spain already. I bet everyone over England is feeling the same. But we basically put some pizzas on, have some Moroccan hummus, alioli, obviously from the shops, and some vegetables.
Lovely.
So we're gonna nom them now, and then I think after Harry's gonna water ski, aren't you?
Yeah, I think I am.
Yeah.
And we've got all of that there is our battery, how much volts our solar panels are currently given to our battery, and our battery's full right now. Like, even though
What? No, I'm not on the better one. I'm just a better paddleboarder.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
It's about that it smells really good, even though it's not got anything on it because of the old stuff.
Yeah, I know. Alright guys, so it is evening now and we're just cracking open a beer. That was so cliche. Yeah, we're cracking open a beer, putting some burgers on the barbie.
Nice.
Yeah, so we'll catch you in a bit when we get in the van, I guess, to cool down for the evening. We'll show you our movie setup.
Yeah, cheers.
Yeah, 1 second.
Endless roads to the horizon.
Right, so on the barbecue tonight for dinner, we've got delicious burgers, some halloumi bits to have with our salad, and some onion rings. Halloumi. Oh, what did the cheese say in the mirror? Hello, me.
Thunder, satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight.
Now, if you ask me, I'm no expert, but that's a perfect burger to pound ratio.
That is pretty stunning. We're just about to get some drone footage of it too, aren't we?
We are indeed.
You remind me of the Arizona thunder, satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona.
Okay guys, so it is the evening now, we are cozying up. This lighting is not for the cozy time, this was to get a nice shot of me looking all pasty and lush.
Looking cute.
But yeah, I'll show you what our movie setup is like by killing the lights right now.
Nice. There it is, it's the projector. We'll link the projector that we got down below if you're interested. It's just, it's tiny. Don't know if you can see it, yeah.
Made a little projector shelf for it.
It is so small and it wasn't too expensive, so we're going to watch 21 Jump Street now.
But yeah, the quality's quite good.
It's literally just on our cladding.
Yeah, lush.
Yeah.
So we will catch you in the morning.
Okay guys, so that is all the content from this weekend that we've had away in the van. However, we thought we'd update you quickly on what our plans are to travel, when we're going, what's changed and what's happening.
So if you haven't seen on our Instagram stories already, then we've explained that basically our Eurotunnel that was meant to leave on Wednesday is no longer going to happen. Basically France aren't letting England into their country from the 31st of May, and ours was booked on like the 3rd of June, wasn't it? So we literally just missed it by like 3 days. But
we've managed to book ourselves on a ferry, a 32-hour ferry from Portsmouth to Santander that leaves Thursday at about 9 o'clock, I think, PM, and gets there Saturday morning at 9 AM. So it's quite a long stint, and it was about £500, but we just wanted to make sure we got out to Spain before any other restrictions hit, and they didn't let any English people into the EU, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you guys do want to keep up with all of our travelling and stuff for daily content, make sure you guys follow our Instagram at The Vanbitious Project.
So make sure you're subscribed and you've hit the little bell button so you're notified of when we put our videos up, so you can join the journey with us.
And if you guys are going to be out in Europe over the next few months van lifing, let us know in the comments where you're going to be, because we'd love to meet up with some of you guys, catch a beer. And if you guys have already done some travelling around Spain, northern Spain or west coast of Spain, let us know in the comments some awesome places to go visit, because we're always looking for some cool beaches and some cool park ups.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this first vlog style video.
So we'll see you in Spain.
We'll see you in Spain. Peace.
Bye.
Something